What's up, guys? Today we're just rolling up to Discount Tire here. We're getting new tires on the Ram. So my buddy is getting my old Duratrax. He's got these little weenie stock street tires. We're gonna hook them up with some man meats. Look at them sissy little things. Mate. All right, guys. The Duratrax from the 5th gen Ram are on the Warlock here. I think it looks quite a bit better. Jesse's happy with it. It's amazing how much just like tires can change the look of a truck. Especially when you got like the Rebel appearance package pretty much. I don't know why they put those highway tires on there. You gotta have something like this. It looks super mean too with this bumper because it's cut out more so you can see more of the tire, which looks nice and aggressive. I really like that. So this is, if you guys didn't remember, they're 275/60 R20 Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. So on that size, brand new, they come with 16/30 seconds tread. They're at roughly 12/30 seconds right now, but still looking good. This is the stock size tire that comes on this generation Ram 4th gen with the stock 20s is that size, the 275/60/20. So he didn't step up a size. He just went to a more aggressive tire, and I think it looks pretty good. He's stock suspension still, which I don't know if the Warlock is the same as the Rebel, where they get a 1-inch lift over your just standard Ram 1500. I got to check on that, but looks pretty good to me. So if you guys have a Warlock or a 4th gen Ram and you're curious what it would look like with these tires on it, there you go. I think it looks pretty good. So this is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna split off my tires on my truck into a different video just so it's not kind of cross-contaminating. We'll do just this one. I'll make another one on mine, but yeah, that's it. So hopefully you guys like the look of this. I will probably do a full review on this truck at some point. Obviously, you know, it is the 4th gen, so it's not anything super new, but just gonna go through the Warlock in general and to kind of give you an idea of like what options it comes with, what he got and everything. I think it's a good value if you're gonna go with a classic like this. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.